Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So I'm so excited. I am fully moved into my college apartment and I figured today would be the day that I would do a college apartment tour. Honestly, so crazy to like be here and to be away from my family and everything, but I'm really excited. And now that my apartment is like fully put together for the most part, I figured I would show you guys like where I got my furniture from, how I've decorated it, and like maximize the space. I personally love watching these videos here on YouTube, and so I figured I would film my own today. So if you guys want to see how I decorated my apartment, then just keep on watching. Alright, so when you first walk in, this right here is like the overview of the room. So I'm just gonna like scan it, but we're gonna obviously like walk around. So right behind the door right here, I just have two command strips that my dad put up. So I just keep like my keys, my umbrella, my rain jacket, my dog leash on here. Super handy, super affordable way to like hang your stuff without ruining the walls and everything if you're renting an apartment. And then right down there, I just keep some of my like go-to shoes. So I have like my rain boots, my flip-flops, and my sneakers. That way I don't like ruin the carpet, so I just keep them over here. Truthfully, I should get like a little like mat or something, but for now this is fine. And then right next to those strips behind the wall is like my little entertainment center. So this is a really great piece of furniture if you're looking for storage, like extra storage, but without like spending a ton of money. And I just have like a really pretty like dark brown wood one, and then you can like buy the drawers individually or you could keep them all open. I actually use this for multiple things. So the drawers store clothing, so I kind of use this as a dresser, and I just kept two of the shelves open for decoration. So I just have like a fake plant from IKEA and some books, and then right next to it I have this like cute little basket where I keep like my doggy stuff, like his toys and his like grooming things. So you can totally like customize that how you want, but that's just how I set mine up. And then I just have like a picture frame right there and some tissues. And then this TV right here is amazing. It's from Toshiba. I got this on Amazon during like their sale, and it's a smart TV. I believe it's a 50-inch. So I don't actually have cable included in my apartment, but I decided that because it's a smart TV, I just watch like Netflix, Amazon Prime, and like I also can watch like YouTube and everything. So I don't really even need the cable. So it's a good way to save money if you are like looking for a TV. The smart TVs are definitely the way to go. So right next to that, this is like my favorite part of my apartment. So this like island bar thingy is also from Target. So it has like this really nice like wooden like chopping block kind of a thing on the top. And there's also a drawer, so I just keep like my utensils and stuff like that in there. And then also a shelf. So again, really great for storage. You can actually roll it. It does have wheels if you like need to move it or anything. And then these bar stools right here are also from Target. So this was like just such a good find. So down here I just have like my like bowls and cups and stuff. I also have like a smoothie maker back there. And then on this bottom shelf I keep my microwave. So again, like if you need storage, this is perfect. And then on the top right here I just have some like flowers, again from IKEA. I have a toaster. I keep like mugs over here. This is like my little coffee station, and then I have like my coffee maker. So again, love this. Such a good find if you're looking again for like more kitchen storage. And then right next to that is like my refrigerator, and this actually came with the apartments. Keep like some magnets and stuff like that on there. I'll show you guys like what's in my fridge. Nothing too crazy. So on this side over here I just have like butter. I have ginger ale in case I get sick. I really like these sparkling water La Croix things. I like the grapefruit flavor, so I have a ton of those if I'm feeling like that. Down here I keep fruit, so I just have like grapes, oranges, apples, bananas, and some limes for my water. On this first shelf I just have coffee creamer, orange juice. I got this like Brita, or like a knockoff Brita, excuse me, from Target, so that way it can filter out the water. Some milk. I have some cranberry juice back there. Some white Zinfandel in a box because I don't have a wine opener. Some syrup, eggs, more creamer, jelly, mayo, and some bread. So again, nothing too crazy in here. And then on this top one in my freezer, I have some like easy, quick, microwavable like meals I can make if I'm in a hurry. Ice, tons of bacon because my dad knows I love bacon. He like stocked me up. Backup bread I keep in the freezer. That way it doesn't go bad. I have some like ground turkey to make one night, and then I just have like a ton of frozen fruit because I like to make smoothies. So I have like blueberries, strawberries, pineapple, and some spinach to put in my smoothies. So that's what's in there. Right next to it, this is again another great find. I believe this is $30 at Target. Target is like the place to go for furniture. So again, this like rolls out so I can like move this and everything, and it's such a great like multi-purpose thing. Honestly, I wish I got two, like one for the bathroom and one for here, but it's amazing. So I just keep like random stuff in here. I have like vitamins, tea, peanut butter, coffee, like cleaning supplies, and there's 3 shelves. This one I just keep like granola bars and then like some pots and pans down there, but this like stores so nicely right next to my fridge, so that was perfect, and I can like just tuck it away so it's not really like visible. And then up here I have these shelves, so I just keep like all my food up there. So I have like tons of cereal, oatmeal, pasta, some snacks, doggy food. In that bin up there I keep like reusable bags to take to the grocery store and stuff, or like for my laundry. So nothing crazy, but that's what's up there. And then right next to there, this is like my little bed nook. So we decided not to put the frame to this bed in here just to save a lot of space. So it's literally just like the box mattress and the mattress or whatever. And then my bedding is from TJ Maxx. Super cute. My good family friend made this blanket for me. It's so soft, so I just keep that over there. It's under this really pretty window. I have a great view of Tallahassee. And then right over here, it's kind of funny, like I watched my closet. So I just hung up some of my clothes. This is literally like my closet. So all my like long sleeves and sweaters are up there, and then down here are some like tops. But I keep a lot of things in the drawers or those bins over there like I mentioned. Okay, turning back around. So then right next to the bed, I just have my bathroom. So I just put like a $5 mirror from Walmart right here just so I can see my outfits and stuff. Hey, totally bumming it right now. So yeah, the bathroom is right here. So I'm only trying to light on so you guys can see. So it's actually a pretty decent sized bathroom, to be honest with you. So right over here, just have some towels. I have like a nice little medicine cabinet. And I just keep like medicine, some like face wash stuff and everything like that. Nothing crazy. Some tissues, room smeller stuff, soap. I actually used like for my toothbrush holder this like 90-cent cup from Target. Just a little hack. And then under here, nothing crazy, just like hair stuff. You can't even really see. Toilet paper. Yeah, lots of feminine cleaning stuff. Feminine supplies. I can't talk today. We're just trying not. We're giving up. My laundry stuff I just keep in the corner here. I took this basket from home and just keep like my hair stuff, my perfumes, things like that. I have a little garbage. This right here I showed in a haul. It's like a laundry bag. So it's nice because I can like walk it to the laundry room down the hall, and it's just convenient. So I just keep it right there. Not really that cute, but that's what it is. Some towels, my shower is right here, and you're gonna be like, what the hell is in here? So in the shower right now, because I'm not showering, this is actually a drying rack, and I keep it in here when I'm not using it or not using the shower just to save space. But yeah, so instead of like having to like spend the money on the dryer, I could just use that. And then I also just have like my shampoo and stuff hung up right there. So that's pretty much the bathroom. Nothing too crazy. Okay, we're walking out. So now when you turn the corner right here, this is like my little kitchen area. So my dog stuff, garbage. This is totally not working, so that is like not a thing. But I do have like a little stove top right here, the sink, and then I have like a little shelf back there. So I just have some like wine that I can't open, my water bottle. Again, I hung up some things with some command strips, some cookies, and then up there I just store some like extra stuff. So I have like water bottle, extra like feminine products, and paper towels. So that's what's up there. And then there's also like this little thing, and I just use this to like dry dishes and stuff like that. And then this little drying rack is literally from the dollar store. And then I did bring my bike with me here. So right now it's in my room just because I have to figure out the bike situation in my apartment complex. But I'd prefer it in the room just like so I'm safe. And then I also have like a cute basket for when I go grocery shopping. So that's like my bike stand, or my bike's room rather, my tripod. I have a whiteboard over here so I can like write stuff down. And then right next to that is my futon. It's super comfortable. Again, I believe it's from Target. This blanket, this throw blanket's from TJ Maxx. That came in with my bedspread actually. I don't know why it's over there. And then right next to it, I have another one of the same things I was showing you before from Target, but we just turned it the opposite way. So this again I just use for extra storage. I haven't even filled it up yet like with decor or anything like that, but I left 4 open and then I got 4 bins for the bottom. So down there I just keep like books, cords, bags, and a little bit of makeup. Right next to that is my ring light, and then right here under this window is my like little desk office area, and you can see my dog's chilling. He loves being under the desk. So this desk is from Target as well. I highly recommend this desk if you're looking for one. It's super sturdy, really easy to put together. And then this chair is also from Target. I got this for like 20 bucks. But yeah, the desk is great. Those flowers are from IKEA, and it does have 2 drawers. So in this drawer right here, I just keep most of my makeup. I really didn't bring a lot with me because I didn't really need to, nor do I have like the room for it, I didn't think. And then this one right here is like my school office supplies. So really great sturdy desk, really happy with that. And then I just keep like my bags right by the door. So yeah, that is my apartment. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will definitely be posting more college related videos shortly, so be sure to stay tuned for that. And if you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next video.